Hello everyone. In today's video, we are talking about how to use Flexiti's AfterPay feature for your purchases. First, you will need to create an account with Flexiti. Head to the Flexiti website, fill in your details and complete the sign-up process. Now after creating your account, apply for financing. This is a quick process, and if approved, you will be able to use Flexiti as a payment method for AfterPay. When making an online purchase, choose Flexiti as your payment method at checkout. Depending on the merchant, you might see the option to split payments using Afterpay. Now once you select Flexiti, choose your repayment plan, which can range from weekly to monthly payments depending on what store offers. And that is how to use Flexiti Afterpay for your purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.